Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about them other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. Ain't never been with a chick this bad.
Hey, please welcome back to my channel. Today is like day 7, day 8 of quarantine. Shoot, I don't even know, but it don't matter because today I'm gonna be cutting my hair for this reason. Alright guys, so I'm back. I feel like I want to cut it like right here. Stop second guessing. Right here is good. Oh! Too late to go back now. Ooh. So far so good. Y'all can see it looks dead. Only had this hair for like a week, I think. Is this the same? Cause okay, stop laughing. That's not even funny if it's not. Oh shit. This is not the same. Not, oh my god, and I really did want it this length. Now I gotta cut it shorter. This is because this is so uneven. Alright guys, I'm back. My mother helped me cut it, so now it's even, or as even as it's gonna get. Like, it looks pretty much even to me, so yeah. But now we're about to cook, so let's come on. I'm about to make shrimp Alfredo. My mom was just making Alfredo. I don't know who just eats Alfredo. Fettuccine Alfredo is good, but I'm gonna leave my stuff messy. Just wash my hands, get straight to cooking, so you can come with me. Okay, let's go. Alfredo. I should show you guys the ingredients. Guini, because I want like thick pasta, like Olive Garden. It won't be as thick, but it'll be similar, so it's okay. Cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. We have heavy cream. What's this?
No,
chicken flavoring.
Yeah, but you're not. If you want it, you can use it.
I'm gonna use it.
That's.
And we have shrimp.
Yep.
Baby shrimp. This is salted butter. Olive oil, of course, because you need. Okay, so right now I'm about to use salt. I have to put it in the water. Noodles not stick. Oh, she sound right. So yeah, once that happens and boils and stuff, I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you guys me adding the noodles, right?
Yes.
I don't have to break them, right? These are the shrimp. They're already seasoned. My mommy did it. This is the shrimp. I'm pouring it out now. It's not fully cooked, but it's just like she said. What did you say? Sauteed. While we wait, we model. Vogue, 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 Vogue. Yes. Get it, girl. Wait, what?
Pour it.
Oh, I think that's it. Bad. Alright, guys, I've got to record, but this is my shrimp Alfredo. It's very much good. Don't mind my broken nail. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, so we started school today. It's going bad, right, Michaela? Let them know. It's going on.
You said that it's so disgusting.
So disgusting. It's like 75 people. The whole class. It's crazy. Yes, and I'm hungry. A girl trying to make a breakfast. I thought online school would be fun. Here's my breakfast. My mommy made us breakfast.
Okay. I'm going to share my screen.
Hey guys, so it's like day whatever quarantine and your girl trying to get her waist snatched. Period. So last time you guys saw me, I think Michaela was here, or I told you guys that Michaela left and I was doing online class. It's the next day. Your girl got on the waist training because your girl kind of got her waist snatched. And I really cannot breathe right now. My bed looks horrible, as you guys can see. I literally did all my homework assignments on my computer. This bed looking stupid right now. Okay, so honestly, I don't like online classes at all. I keep waking up late. I'm always 10 minutes late for freaking class. It's like my habit never left. My schedule has been the same. I've been in the house for literally 2 weeks now. No, I'm bugging. Only a week probably. Like, I did not leave the house at all. Like, I literally did not go anywhere. It's crazy. And the last time that I went out and I actually had like fun was the time that I went out. If you guys saw me, I went out during quarantine, like when the first day of it happening, so people were still outside. I'm really trying to take it serious because it's so weird to me. Like, I'm used to be able to go to school, you know, and I know I've been like, oh, I'm tired of school, I hate it, and now that I'm not going, it makes me feel like I took it for granted, because I definitely did. I like to have virtual interaction. Like, I don't even know how people could do homeschool. I never wanted to do a homeschool in the first place. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. So yeah, I think that's like whack, because you know, you can't even like socialize. I don't need to socialize. I'm about to upload, well, I'll just upload the video today. I'm about to edit and upload another video tomorrow. It's around 12 o'clock. See, like, my schedule is so off, my sleeping schedule, so whenever we go back, hopefully we go back soon and we don't be out the whole year, because I cannot do this for the rest of the year. And at first, it was like people are getting cured from it, people are starting to survive, they're finding like different medicines to like help you beat it and all that, but people are getting so sick and it's so sad. I just can't wait for it to be like okay for us to go outside again, because it's gonna feel like the freaking Bird Box when people could actually go outside again. Like, oh my gosh, like, I feel like this is like teaching them to not think about the little things, because they're bigger things that matter. People are dying, people are suffering, and we need to make sure we stay in the house and follow the policies so we could be able to live our life again, because people are becoming so bored. People making freaking TikToks. My mom made a TikTok, you know, at this point. Listen, the coronavirus, please leave, because my mom making TikToks now. Oh my gosh. I mean, we was able to cook together, so I did appreciate that, because she taught me like how to cook mad stuff. So happy about that. So cute. Like, even though we don't have school, they be FaceTime me every single day, texting me, see how I'm doing. I text them, see how they doing. And I love how my teachers are still like making sure that we okay. Like, when we do first task or like exit tickets, they ask us like, are you okay? You know, if anything, just email us. You know, if you need anything, email us. If you need food, you need this, like, you know. So I think that's so sweet of them. And I love how like the government is like helping less fortunate people, like bringing school buses to bring food. They're still letting, well, they was letting kids go to school for the first week of quarantine, but they stopped it now. But I don't know if they're still doing it. They're probably not. Yeah, I just hope that we all learn from this and we still have good hygiene, because I don't understand why people don't wash their hands. I don't get it. Ew. My piece of nasty. Tomorrow I'm making steak. I'm gonna just show you guys me making a steak. Your girl been cooking lately, so I could survive once I have to move out. Well, I'm about to probably FaceTime my boyfriend or something. I'm bored, and that's it. So I'm see you guys in the morning. Come make some steak. And y'all can see my online classes. Oh my gosh, they are so annoying. It's like I'm not learning nothing. Ooh. Hey guys, it's like a couple of days later, and I'm gonna make some cake because my mom wants cake. But she wants 2 layers. She should have got 2 boxes. She didn't tell me she wanted 2 layers. But she told me when we already have the boxes. So I was like, alright guys, I'm trying to look ratchet, but your girl has been laying down. This is my week off because today's Saturday, no school today. Alright guys, last step is the eggs. How can that? I'm back and the cake batter is good. Guys, so now I have half in the pan, half in the bowl. So when I'm done with this, I'm gonna take it out and then do the other one. So yeah, guys, so the cake is done. I let it cool down for like 10 minutes, and I'm just cutting around the perimeter. My cat is sleeping. It's like a flat surface. I don't know if you guys can surface. I don't know if you guys can see that, but. I'm about to cut it for my mom because she's gonna try. And I don't have enough ice in it to like make it complete and stuff, but you see, if that's not done, only this side really is done. I put icing on the inside. It looks kind of professional. I feel like the icing part. I don't know how they do it so clean. Alright guys, I'm done making a cake and I'm not eating it because my stomach hurts. Alright guys, so I'm done making a cake, but I'm about to eat it because my stomach hurts. Like, it's like full. And yeah, I'm about to make 2 videos today. My Musical.ly, react to my old Musical.lys. And oh yeah, and play this part too because I love to play this, the first one. So see you guys tomorrow. Well, whenever. I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow because I'm not doing nothing. Hey guys, it is day something of quarantine. I don't know how long the vlog is gonna be, but most of the vlog gonna be me cooking because you're gonna really cook. I don't cook at all. So this whole week and last week, well, starting this week and the whole last week, I was cooking with my mom, and we just made mashed potatoes, and it's so good. We're going to be making pork chops. Simple. I already have mashed potatoes, and I already have corn on a cob that my mom made yesterday. I want a white rice. I might just make white. No, I don't need white rice because I have mashed potatoes. That's not ew. The pork chop is right here. It's already clean, and I need to season it. I'm gonna show you guys what my mom told me. You're gonna obviously need garlic. You can use powdered garlic or the paste. I'm probably gonna use both. Adobo is like a all-purpose seasoning, but it's like a Spanish style one, and they have like another one that's Jamaican. You need Italian seasoning. I'm used to seeing, if it would focus. Alright, it's this one, right? That I'm used to seeing all the time. is the orange one then, but she said this one tastes better to her. So guys, so now that you guys are close, you can see the pork chop is 2 pieces. So we have to make a proportionate to how much pieces I have. So first step I'm gonna do is, I mean, don't really matter what step you're doing. Let's just appreciate how much freaking mustard I decided to add to the 2, not more than 2 pork chops. Oh shoot, I messed this up big time. Yeah, I did put a lot.
How much you put?
I don't know. Because at this point, your girl asked the mom to come help me fix the problem. And one is gone. That's the one pork chop is done and the other one is still frying. I checked on it. Alright guys, finished now. Time to do homework. Alright guys, so I'm cooking again today. Today I'm gonna be making, I've been following this girl. She's I think her name is Chef Bae. I love everything she makes. It looks so good. So today I'm gonna be making quarantine honey hot wings, and I'm making the celery after I'm done. I already seasoned the wings, and I have the ingredients for the sauce, and I have the measuring cups. So yes, it looks so good. Alright guys, so here's the finishing product. This is the sauce right here. This is the chicken, and I have my celery, and then I have some ranch. I'm gonna pour, because cook rice to my mom help me obviously with everything because I'm not a pro yet, but we got the rice, we have some corn. I'm definitely not eating that, and this is just the grease from the chicken. Alright guys, I know it's dark, but another meal complete. Here we get everybody the waist trainer on. Ooh. As you guys can see, I've been cooking all week. I'm gonna just end the video off right here because I'm not doing nothing else the rest of the week. Nobody is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for videos of your girl Ice motherfucking C. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye pretties.